వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ లోకల్ టీచర్స్. మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్నందుకు అందరికీ థ్యాంక్స్. సో టుడే అవర్ టాపిక్ ఈస్ ray diagrams for concave mirror. So before going to discuss ray diagrams, first of all here we have to know what is a ray diagram. So here ray diagram represents the possibility of light traveling paths from one place to another place, So here we are having 6 possibilities of keeping object in front of a concave mirror. For those 6 positions, here we are going to draw the ray diagram. In the ray diagram, we are going to find the position of the image and size of the image and whether it is inverted or erected, so that we are going to find in this phenomena. So let us go into drawing of ray diagram. So here if an object is placed in between P and F, so for that first we are going to draw the ray diagram. If object placed between P and F, so here P is nothing but pole of mirror, F is nothing but a focus of mirror. Okay, so here for that I am drawing the ray diagram. So here the inner surface is smooth, so it is a concave mirror. So here I am identifying, so this is F focus, so it is the center of the curvature of concave mirror. So this point represents P, pole. So here I am placing an object in between P and F. So here this is an object. So generally in our lab experiment, so we are considered a candle as an object in the lab activity. For our convenience, here I am considering instead of candle I am considering here, so that is represented by a arrow like this. So here this represents an object. So while drawing ray diagrams, we have to remember 3 rules. From that, so here always consider the parallel rays from the top of the object. So it is one parallel ray, so which is traveling in parallel with the principal axis. So when it is incident, so after incident it will passes through focus of the mirror. So here this is the reflected ray which passes through focus point. Next here the ray I am considering which is passing through center of curvature. So the ray which is coming from center of the curvature, so it will reflect in the same way. So here it is the reflection and it is the incident. So observe here, so in this way there is no possibility of meeting 2 lines. So if we observe back of the mirror, so there is a possibility of meeting these 2 rays at a point. So here, so if a reflected rays meet at a common point, it will gives formation of the image. So here this will represent image. Okay, so here if we observe the image, so here, so in this so we are consider the object in between P and F, and the image is formed back of the mirror. Why? Because it is formed back of the mirror is nothing but, so here is the possibility of meeting of reflecting rays. So here if we observe the image, so the image is, so it is formed behind the mirror, and it is enlarged, and it is erected, and it is virtual image. Okay, so here enlarged means the size is increased, erected means it is up of the principal axis, and virtual means it will not catch on the screen. Next, number two, second position. So in number two, object is placed on F. So that is on focus. So here when the object is placed on focus point, so here it image forms at infinity. So here we will write, so image forms at infinity. Okay, so next, image is highly enlarged, it is inverted, it is inverted, and it is an real image. So here when we keep object on F, the image is formed at infinity. So if we observe, the size is enlarged, and it is inverted, and it is a real image. So real image is nothing but which is caught on screen. So let us go for position 3. In the position 3, object is placed in between F and C. So the image is formed behind C. So let us see here, I am drawing the diagram for that. Okay, so here, so this is the principal axis. So this is, so consider here, so this is F, and this is C. So in between I am placing the object here. Okay, so I consider a parallel ray from the top of the object. It will incident or fall on the mirror, and it will reflect and passes through focus point. Okay, so here I am considering another ray, so which is traveling through a focus point, and it will fall on the mirror. So after instant, it will travel parallel to the principal axis. So here, so the second ray which is considered from the top of the object, it will passes through the focus point. So after reflection, it will it will travel in parallel with the principal axis. So here where two reflected rays meet at a common point, at this instant the image is formed. So I am drawing the image diagram. So observe here, this is image. So this is object. So if we observe the image and object, so here, so this object is in upward direction to the principal axis, and image is downward direction to the principal axis. So here we can write the image formed beyond C. Next, it is enlarged inverted and real image. So this is when the object is placed in between F and C, the image is formed beyond the C. So if we observe the image, it is enlarged. Okay, it is enlarged, inverted, and it is a real image. Let us go for position 4. Object is placed on the center of curvature. So where the image forms, so we will see. So let us draw a ray diagram for that. So here it is, we are considered concave mirror. So this is a principal axis. Okay, consider here it is F and this is C. On the center of curvature, we are considered an object. So from the top of the object, so we are considered a incident ray which is traveling in parallel with the principal axis. So after incident, it will reflect and which will passes through focus point. So here, next consider another ray. So from the top of the object and which passes through focus point incident on the mirror. So after incident, it will reflect and travel in parallel with the principal axis. So here from the center of curvature, so draw a line where the intersection of the where the two reflected rays are intersected. So here it forms a image. So if we observe here the object and image. So when we place the object on center of curvature, the image is also formed on the center of curvature. So if we observe the image, so here image formed on center of curvature. So here same size. So the image size is same. So it will inverted and it is a real image. So here when the object is placed on the center of curvature, the image is also formed on center of curvature. So next go for position 5. So here object is placed beyond C. That means if an object is placed beyond center of curvature, for that draw the ray diagram. So consider it is a concave mirror. So it is a principal axis. Principal axis. So identify. So this is focus and this is the center of curvature. So beyond the center of curvature, we are considered an object. Okay, so consider an incident ray which comes in parallel with the principal axis. Incident on the concave mirror, it reflected and it will passes through focus point. So we are considered a parallel incident ray. After reflection, it will passes through focus point. Next here. Okay, so here consider an array from the top of the object which is passes through center of curvature. So the incident ray which is passes through center of curvature get reflected in the same path only. So observe here two reflected rays are intersected. So here it forms the image. So here it is formed the image. So if we observe the image, so image formed between F and C. So it is diminished, inverted, and real image. So simply see here, when the object is placed beyond the C, the image is formed in between F and C. So the image is diminished and it is inverted and it is a real image. So let us go for position 6. So here object is placed at infinity. So let us consider here object is placed at infinity. So here if object is placed at infinity, so its image is formed at focus point. In activity 2 we are already discussed that. Okay, so your object is kept at infinity, so the image is formed at focus. So here image is formed at F, that is focus point. Next, so it is highly highly diminished highly diminished and inverted, and it is a real image, a real image. So here today we are observed, so we observed that by keeping this object in different 6 positions, for that 6 positions we drawn the ray diagram.